Hey everyone, Lynette checking in from Insurance by Lynette. I hope everybody is doing great. Listen, do you know, or is it you, someone who needs an extra $1,000 a month? Listen, times are really hard right now, okay? I know that. A lot of people are unemployed due to COVID-19. If they are employed, their hours have been slashed, so they're not making the money they used to make, and they could use an extra $1,000 a month. I have a video that's going to come on after me that's going to talk about a company that I am involved in, and they're looking for some people who want to make extra money. So I'm going to send you to the video, and then I will be right back with you, okay?
If you're like most of us, there are times when you found that there's too much month left at the end of the money. Things are tight, and somehow there's never quite enough to pay the bills when the time comes. Increasingly, people are finding that they need side income to make ends meet. We hear about a gig economy with more flexibility and increasing contract work, or the necessity of a side hustle, or how to generate passive income. To adapt to today's financial challenges, it becomes necessary to have a source of extra income for those times when your steady revenue stream is just not enough. Finding that extra income, though, isn't always easy. There don't seem to be enough hours for hourly work in retail or restaurant industries. Childcare, yard work, and handyman jobs are less than steady and can be physically exhausting. None of the obvious options pay exceptionally well, and your goal should never be to work 24/7. Most part-time positions are jobs. They offer a paycheck, but little personal satisfaction or sense of making a meaningful contribution to your community. What if you could work part-time doing something that made you feel good, provided a needed service, and allowed you to earn more than a modest hourly wage? FFS may be just what you're looking for. We provide products that help people achieve financial security and the opportunity for you to build a business of your own. We give you the training and administrative support you need to succeed in this industry, or even on a part-time basis. We offer the benefits of flexibility, control, and earning potential that come with owning your own business without the need to start from scratch or wasting time figuring out logistics. Our proven business building system offers you all the guidance you need to succeed. FFS can grow with you, helping you maintain a part-time position forever or grow your business into a full-time career as an entrepreneur. Imagine if you no longer had those financial pressures looming over you month after month. With FFS, you can earn extra income, build a business, and help people safeguard their financial futures. Learn more about the first financial security business opportunity by discussing FFS with your agent. Ask them about their experience and let them show you how the FFS opportunity can fit into your lifestyle.
Okay, I'm back. That's all the information you needed to know. If you are interested and you want to get started, you want more information, call me at 954-581-8800 and let's get you started. Okay, I'm looking forward to hearing from you. 954-581-8800.